welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna, owner of SLR Beauty, Shauna the MUA, and today I will be giving you some of my fall faves. These are some items that I recently purchased, I've fallen in love with, and I just want to share with you guys what I've been using, what I love. Also with the Sephora sale that they usually have, I did pick up a few staple items and some newer items. So if you would like to see what are my fall faves, then keep on watching. But before you do, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's just jump right on into it. I'm not going to make this an extra long video. It's basically to showcase some items that I recently purchased and, you know, that I definitely love. Also, I did just film this look. This is my mask proof makeup look, so be sure to check this out as well. So my first item is my Laneige lip mask. If you guys do not own this lip mask, you're missing out. In this set, it came with, in the Sephora set, it came with these three items. So it came with the bigger one. This is the staple sleeping mask. The next one is, the other one is like a mint scent, and then the yellow is a lemon scent. So this valued for $29, and then I got the 20% off. So this is a really good deal because I think this one alone is probably like 20 or 30. I think it's probably like 20 something or $30. So you can't beat it. I really like that it hydrates your lip. I don't really use it exactly how it's supposed to be used. You are supposed to use it at nighttime so that it could form as like a mask. You sleep with it, and then in the morning you just wipe it off. Mine kind of just disappears. I don't know. I don't really wipe it off in the morning. So with that, I have no idea what happened to my sleeping mask. But I will say I do like the hydration. I do like it as a form of conditioning product for my lips. Next item is my NARS blushes. So I did get Exhibit A. You probably saw this in another video, and I got Orgasm X. These are the two blushes. Now, I know this has been around forever, but this was my first time really trying the NARS blushes. And when I tell you these blushes are pigmented, they are a must-have. Like, you really need to own one of these blushes. So if you're around my complexion or darker, both of these shades are gorgeous. Okay, the Orgasm X, it gives like a reflex of gold, so it kind of serves almost like a highlighter and a blush, because it gives you that golden look. I actually have it on right now, but I also have on the Dior Backstage. And then this one, it's such a nice like orange. It doesn't seem as bright. The less you use, the more it won't be as like shocking. The next item is the Dior Backstage palette. Now, don't really pay attention to this one because I broke it, but this one is in 05, the copper gold. I do have another one of these, which I think is the 02. I'm not sure what shade it is. But these highlighters, they are, I think they're $44. They're kind of pricey, but I love the payoff. I actually used it here in my look as well. It's just a subtle, rich highlighter. Like, it's beautiful on the skin. It's not chunky reflex of highlighter or glitter. It's very finely milled, and it just glides onto the skin. No chunks, no nothing. I would definitely recommend getting this highlighter if you do not have it. It comes in such beautiful shades. I know it's a little bit pricey, but this is the time of year that you should definitely buy it. If you're able to get that 20% off, it definitely helps, because otherwise you won't see any discounts with Dior. But I love this highlighter. It is one of my faves, so definitely go ahead and pick this up. Another fave that I recently tried out. The shade is just, maybe I could probably mix it a little bit just to get the correct shade, but I've been using the NARS Soft Mattes, and this is Caracas. I always butcher these names, but I've been using this, and when I tell you this gives you coverage, it really does give you coverage. So if you're looking for a medium to full coverage foundation, this is the product for you. Also, if you do have oily skin, this is also the product for you. It definitely kept me matte. I would say at least 5 or 6 hours it kept me matte. I don't usually touch up. I don't have oily skin. I have combination skin. But I would definitely recommend purchasing this foundation. I love it. It became a fall favorite for me. It did launch in fall, so definitely try it out if you haven't. And I believe this is for 30 something dollars, maybe 36. The next product is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss as drugstore. It has a hyaluronic acid in there, which is very moisturizing, is very hydrating. It gives you that super glossy effect, and it's just a basic lip gloss. It gives a little bit of color, but I just love these type of shades. I love these pink tones. Like, it just gives me more juiciness to my lips. So I would definitely recommend to try out this lip gloss. Even if you don't put anything else on your lips, just wearing this, it gives you that plumpier look. And these are for sale for $8.99, I believe, at Ulta. So definitely a must-have too. While we're on glosses, I'm also going to say the Juvia's Place glosses are my faves. These came out actually before fall. I believe these came out maybe in July, maybe July or August. But these are a staple. I love it because they're not tacky, they're not sticky. She has definitely a large range of glosses. She has the pink, she has the nudes with the browns and the oranges, the corals, the pinks. So definitely, if you haven't tried out those glosses, I would recommend to try out the Juvia's Place lip glosses as well. And then, as you guys already know, y'all know I have to support Fenty. I have to support Riri. And Riri does this every year. She comes out with these mini gloss bombs. So I went ahead and bought the gloss bomb set. So these are 2 of the shades. And then these are the nudes. So you have like a brown, and then you have like a lighter tone. Listen, you cannot go wrong with a Fenty gloss bomb. They're not tacky. They smell delicious. They smell yummy. And there's so many different shades. They're beautiful on the lips. And yeah, I just had to get this. So the set, I think, is 30 bucks or 30, maybe $35. But this was definitely a fall fave, okay? I believe this is probably my last item. Is the Pat McGrath, Mama Pat. She did her thing with the Celestial Divinity palette. And this palette was for $75. Would I say that it's worth it? Yes, it's worth the $75. Now, she has other palettes that are like $100 and something. I've never owned any of those palettes. I guess I never really got too excited about spending $100 on a palette. That's kind of an ouch. So when she came out with this palette, it's beautiful shades. You could do an array of different looks. And so far I have been using this palette a lot, and I've been creating some pretty good looks with it. And for $75, that's not, it's kind of expensive, but not really, because it's Pat McGrath. So this is definitely a fall fave and a must-have. Another product that I've been using, it's not really a fall fave, but you know, it was new and I've been using it for a while, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist. I do like it because it does hydrate your skin. So if you're definitely dry or you feel like your skin is dehydrated, it's a good picker-upper. Another one that I just bought this, so look out for a review for it. But I got the Milk makeup, and this is the Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So I'll keep you posted on this one, but so far I did use it with this look, and I mean, my face looks regular. It's not oily or anything. I literally just did my makeup. So I'll post a review or something on my Instagram about this after I've used it a few times. So I'm not going to say that it's a fave yet. I literally just used it, so I'll keep you posted. Those are some items that I recently picked up and that I'm loving right now. So if you do decide to try any of these, please share with me your thoughts and your opinions either in the comments down below, or follow me on Instagram and DM me. Let me know what you tried, what you liked. If you didn't like it, let me know why. And yeah, just engage with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys actually pick up some of these products, try them out. And I hope you guys fall in love as much as I did with some of these products. So yeah, until next time, you guys. I should be having another video uploaded soon, so be sure to make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. That way you know when I upload a new video. And I appreciate you guys. And yeah, also don't forget to shop at slrbeauty.com. These lashes are in Flirty. So if you guys like my lashes, then be sure to click on my website down below, and be sure and to support your girl at slrbeauty.com. Bye, you guys.